South Point to have lunch with a friend playing this new Mystical Pearl by Konami. Just got a bonus $9 bet. I put $100 in. Swim me some balls in there, girl. Looking for 6 balls. Yes, there we go. Just like that. And then it plays just like any other hold and spin game. Mini minors, just like traditional hold and spin games. Oh, come on. The major's at $722. The grand on this is $5,000. Need all the balls to get the grand. Come on, don't end, don't end. Yes, yes. Oh, come on. $5,026. You are flashing in there. Land. Land. Oh, shoot. I guess this is one where they just always show. Alright. Not bad. $297. We've still got 4 spins to go. Do 2 more. Oh, dang you. Oh, come on. Oh. Oh, man. That was it. Just that first one. But that was great. 312. Nice. Thank you, girl. Later, and I got a random. This one has like a random. She'll just come out and go shoo, and then throw some balls down there. This is a $3 bet. I was betting a little. I was playing a little while ago. I have a picture. I'll pop the picture up on the screen, but I wasn't filming it. But on a $3 bet, I got the mini and the minor. Mini for 100 and a minor for 500 on a $3 bet. That was really cool. That one wasn't as impressive. Hey, we'll take it. $69, right? Of course we will. Big win. The girl is the big symbol, by the way. It's the 3 clamshells you need for free games. They only come on the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th reel, or 6 those bubbles or pearls. They're not bubbles, they're pearls. Silly Kelly. All right, I just got another one. I was doing $6 bets. This was literally my first $3 bet the whole time, and I got the random feature. The second I went down. So. Threw all those down at once. Well, she threw like 4 of them and then the rest spun in. I'm kind of shocked I even got anything else. Alright, well I got the one. $75. Well, I'm just gonna keep going till I'm down to 300 or up to 400. I'll let you know if I get another one. Just got a nice little line hit. Figured I'd share that with you. She's throwing money all over the place. Big win. I didn't even get the 5th reel, and that was $135. That was a $9 bet, though. We'll now go down to 400. Oh, look at that, man. These Konami games, man, you gotta hit them while they're hot, right? There we get to see the random. See how she does? She throws them down. And then the rest will just fall. Konami, man, when it gets hot, it's hot. How about some words, honey? Words. Come on, don't end. Drop it, drop it. Ugh. Another $75. Wow. Very nice. I thought we were about to get it. One more bonus at South Point before I walk out the door. Just got a shake. Got the free game. It's a $225 bet. I put $100 in. I'm doing very well here at South Point. This lunch made me a good bit of money. Thank you, Julia. Probably, yeah, I don't even know what I'm up, but I've done quite well. It's my first time here to South Point. Nice. I need you to just lock it all up. The reason I'm playing this machine is the mega on it is almost $4,000. Wild, be wild, be wild. Oh, king. If that was wild, that would have been crazy. Alright, 86.25. Not bad for a $225 bet, right? Yeah, good. Try to get one more. I would like to get the hold and spin and go for that big, huge mega. Just got another shaky shake right there into my last 100. All right, let's go. Come on, let's get that mega. It's $3,054 is what it is. Oh, come on. Don't end. Well, that was it. We're not getting the mega. Big win. By the way, that was me playing this bet, not this one. That side. That $5 bet's equivalent to the $7.50 on the other side. It's the same bet, but the enhanced, you pay extra because you're supposed to get the shaky shake more often. But I call bullshit, y'all. I don't get it any more often. I don't know about y'all, but oh man, that would have been nice. come on, right here at the end, give it to me. Right before I walk out the door. One last bet, $1.50. Oh, I got a 75-cent bet. Oh, one? Nope. All right, guys, so thank you for joining me on my day at South Point. This turned out to be a very profitable lunch. Thank you guys so much for watching. And by the way, if you're looking for South Point, it's off the strip. But yeah, I've done well here, really well. It's my first time here. Lots of nice restaurants. Definitely a locals casino, but clean, nice, lots of cool games, and seem to be a little looser than the strip has been for me. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.